The second main feature of Figma Design System are the light and dark modes. First, we'll create the light mode and then convert it to the dark mode. Let's go into the cards section and choose blog. As you can see, all the cards are actually created in light mode, and you may ask, where's the dark mode? Or will I have to recreate the exact same thing in darker version? The answer is no. We will use the appearance plugin, which will create the dark version for us automatically. So let's go ahead and choose any of the cards. So I'm going to choose this one, select it, right click, go under plugins, choose the appearance plugin in dark mode. Select, there you go. All done, very quick, very easy. More information about the appearance plugin is under the guide section of this project file. Here's a link to the appearance plugin. You can download it and some information on how to install it and how to use it. Let me go ahead and do one more example. So I'm going to choose this calendar sample that I've done, select the dark mode, and I'm going to delete it. I'm going to choose the light mode, hit Command D for duplicate. So this artboard just duplicated. I'm going to right click, again, choose the appearance plugin, dark mode. There you go. Very fast, in just a couple of clicks of a button, you already have a dark mode completed.